Hi, it's Roberta Hill here from Self-Care Printables. And I'm glad you decided to watch this short video on better meditation. For those of you who are just starting out or interested or curious about the topic, meditation isn't just for self-help followers anymore. It really has gone mainstream. And people have widely accepted that meditation can be a powerful tool no matter what your pursuit is. So if you're having trouble getting into the habit or you want to perfect your techniques, then here are 9 tips for you to follow. 1. Start early. While you can meditate at any time of the day, there are a few reasons the morning might be the best. First off, when you meditate early, it ensures you don't skip it later because your day got too busy. Secondly, it's an excellent way to motivate yourself for the day ahead. 2. Start small. So many people give up once they start. They get frustrated, they find it too hard, or then they start missing too many days. Let me repeat, start small. You don't have to become a Zen master overnight. Meditate when you can, for as long as you can, and whenever you can, and eventually it will become a habit. Number 3, make it a routine. If you're still struggling with meditation, make it into a routine. If you practice meditation at the same time each day, it'll be easier to develop it as a habit. Try putting it into your existing routines as well. Number 4, find the technique that works for you. There are several different meditation techniques available. The key is to making a regular habit is to find one or more that really fits with you the most. This step will make it much easier to stick with the meditation. 5, keep it simple. Don't get caught up in what's right or wrong or I'm not doing it properly when you're meditating. Keep things simple. Even closing your eyes and focusing on your breath for a few moments is better than nothing. In fact, it's better than most. Number 6, try a guided meditation. Some people need a little more structure if they want to make something a habit. Fair enough. If you're one of those people, you might find a guided meditation easier to follow. There are many guided meditations that you can research on YouTube. 7, create the right atmosphere. Once you start making meditation a habit, you can find 2 things by creating the right atmosphere. Having a clean, organized, and comfortable area to practice meditation will ensure that you reap the maximum benefits. Number 8, eliminate distraction. I can't stress this enough. Creating the right atmosphere includes eliminating distractions. Make sure your area is quiet and turn off your phone. If you live with friends or families, let them know how important it is not to disturb you. Number 9, embrace technology. It might seem a little weird embracing technology when it comes to something as spiritual as meditation, but it makes sense. YouTube and other sites have free guided meditations, as I mentioned. Headspace and other apps help meditation become a habit, and something as simple as a phone reminder can help remind you that it's time to meditate. So take action now. Take 2 to 3 minutes a day to clear your mind, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. This action may not seem like much, but it is meditation. And go to YouTube. Try to find a guided meditation that speaks to you. You can narrow your search by focusing on different meditation topics. Schedule meditation into your week. Take some time to schedule meditation each day in your planner, and try your best to get 5 days in a row. It's a great start. There's additional reading out there, lots that I can recommend, but if you're just getting started or want to really find a routine, here are just some that I would recommend. You can read them through yourself. Just Sit, Practicing Mindfulness, The Daily Stoic, The Headspace Guide to Meditation and Mindfulness, and Practical Meditation for Beginners. Thanks for watching this video, and this again is Roberta Hill. Please check out our selfcareprintables.com where you can find a number of things on meditation, articles, journals, and planners. Thanks again, and enjoy meditation.